Claudie cooks, bring sunshine into your life with some lovely food and Caribbean spices, spices. Claudie cooks.
Hello my loves, welcome back to Claudie Cook's Kitchen. I hope you're all feeling okay out there because today we are making Ackee Callaloo Spring Rolls with a coconut dip. Something as a little starter for your Christmas table. All of the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below. So let's cook. Woohoo! Let's add some coconut oil to the pan. You can use butter or oil of your choice. Once that's melted, we're going to saute some onions for about 3 to 5 minutes until nice and soft before we go in with some garlic. So let that heat itself up and then we'll get the onions in. Don't you just love the smell of onions? Smells so delicious. In with the garlic. Right, we're just going to infuse the garlic for about 20 to 30 seconds just to get the beautiful flavors out. Time to add our jerk paste. You can go in with 1 to 2 teaspoons of it, but I'm going in with 1 heat first, just so it's not too hot. The flavor that is coming from this pan is just so amazing, and cooking in the coconut oil as well. Wow, this is pure flavors from the Caribbean. It smells divine. Right, so we're just going to let our paste infuse to release the beautiful flavors and aroma before we start to add all the other ingredients. Time to add our callaloo. We're using 1 cup callaloo. I have already drained it out, so most of the liquid is already being squeezed out. So we're just going to now cook it until all of the excess liquid evaporates. Just going to put the heat up a bit more. Just going to give this maybe about 2 to 3 minutes, and then we're ready to add other ingredients. It's looking nice and dry now, so we can incorporate some other ingredients. In with a cup of ackee, drained. In with half a teaspoon of ground allspice, followed by half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, some extra onion granules, that's salt-free, black pepper, just good grinding. Now for the salt, let's give this a gentle mix. Let's have a little taste for seasoning. I think I need a little bit more black pepper. Lid on for 2 minutes. Okay, it's time to remove it from the heat now. We're going to let this cool completely before we add them to the spring rolls. Let's get the spring rolls ready. Okay, we're just dipping them in some water just to get them a little bit soft so they're a lot more pliable, so when you are rolling them it's not going to break. Let's get our filling we've made earlier. Okay, we're going to put about a tablespoon on a bit. Now what we're going to do now, we're going to roll, and we want to try and keep them really tight. I'm going to bring this corner in, and we are going to roll. Tucking under. I like to have a nice flat surface when I'm doing anything like this, you know, just so it keeps nice and flat. And I'm using a bit of flour with a bit of water to make a little flurry, just to stick it together. And here we are. Going to set this aside and move on to the next. Look at these, looking lovely. Let's heat up some oil now. Let's add some oil. And we're going to heat that up until it reaches about 180 to 190 degrees centigrade. So I'm going to let that heat up slowly, and then I'll be back when we're frying the spring rolls. Let's check our oil temperature. We're going to fry these for about 2 to 3 minutes, and we're just going to keep flipping them so they get nice and golden evenly. This is how the first batch are looking. Look, listen to that. Lovely. See you back when they're all done. This is what our spring rolls are looking like. All nice. Listen to that. Beautiful. I'm going to leave these now and let them drip any excess oil away, and then we will make a coconut dipping sauce. For the coconut dipping sauce, you'll need half a cup of coconut milk or cream. To that, we're adding a pinch of ground allspice, pinch of salt, tablespoon of honey. For a bit of heat, we're going in with some Scotch bonnet sauce. You can use Scotch bonnet as well, but I just thought to make things easier, just add the sauce instead. We're going to go in with a squeeze, about a tablespoon or to taste. In we go. Going to give that a little mixy. Going to mix it until everything is dissolved. We're going to taste for flavor. Going in with a pinch more lime juice. I'm just going to get this little whisk and give it a whisk to combine everything together. Let's have a taste. Oh my gosh, wow. May as well use the rest of the half of the lime. Give it another taste with a clean spoon. Perfect. Let's plate up. Let's add a few little pop of color, bit of decoration. This is some Scotch bonnet. I went and I chopped some, so just to give it a pop of Caribbean color to that. Going in with a few sprinkling spring onion. And there you have it, my loves. My Caribbean Ackee Callaloo Spring Rolls with a creamy coconut dipping. Look at those babies, looking really tasty and crispy. Thank you for spending time in the kitchen with me today, making these delicious festive starter. If you try them, tag me and let me know, and I look forward to seeing you in the kitchen making some more delicious recipes. Enjoy. Peace out. I have been waiting for ages to taste these. They are so delicious. Let's give you a bite and listen to this crunch. Look at that, delicious. And you can hear how crispy that is. The flavor in this spring roll is off the chart. You have to try this. This is delicious. Let's have a dip in the sauce. What a divine combination. This is absolutely delicious. I'm not just saying that, it's tasty. And this coconut dip, all I can say is enjoy, and I'll see you in the next video.
Cloudy cooks, bring sunshine into your life with some lovely food and Caribbean spices. Cloudy cooks, bring sunshine into your life with some lovely food